I may have just made a boo-boo. Hey everybody, welcome back to Woodness Goodness. Normally we're building stuff, but well, weather is absolutely crazy here in Virginia, Central Virginia that is. I don't know where else in Virginia, but right now it is pretty insane. Directly behind me, my favorite holly tree literally split the D and is completely split open and on the ground, just because the snow is so wet. And we got like literally, I think like, that's not a really good representation on how much, but about 12 inches, maybe not 12, let's say 10 inches, 8 to 10 inches in the span of, 4 hours. It's heavy and it's sticking to all the trees. And so there are trees down everywhere. You can literally hear them falling every couple minutes. If you just listen closely, you'll hear a branch fall down or a tree. It's absolute chaos. But luckily, I feel kind of prepared. So I don't know how the day is gonna go, but I figured I'd let you guys tag along. Because I don't know, things could get interesting. I don't normally make videos like this. We recently got we're almost at a foot of snow in Central Virginia here. And well, that used to be a really nice crepe myrtle. This pine tree behind me has lost many, many big limbs. My Jeep was parked right there. I put it back here to avoid the pine tree. And then my beautiful holly tree split in half and fell on the Jeep. And then I had to move the Jeep again. Anyhow, I think today is gonna get a little squirrely, so I thought I would, record some stuff just in case, something significant happens. For instance, there's my teardrop. Above it is this pine tree that is leaning over currently. So I'm gonna quickly dust off the Jeep and then get that teardrop out of there ASAP. Jeez Louise. Honestly, this is insane. I don't even know what I'm gonna do here. I'm getting stuck. I think we're just gonna park it right here. I can't chance getting stuck. Okay, think off-road. Come on, baby. Oh, I'm kind of twisty-turny. Okay, we're not sure about this. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get stuck in here. Oh my gosh. Graham. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Yes. 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 Now just pedal to the metal, baby. Here we go. Uh-oh. I think I may have just made a boo-boo. So this is the situation. I got my Jeep right there. I got this dogwood right there, my holly tree that fell over. And so now my driveway is this very narrow, and now I'm falling into the ditch with my Jeep. Honestly, I thought I knew what I was doing. Lo and behold, I don't. I made it worse, significantly worse. And I think I'm gonna give up for the day. I'm gonna go in my room and hide and pretend like nothing happened. Okay, so the sun's out, but there's definitely clouds. It's super low in the sky. So this is 180 watt, this is 200 watts. And right now I'm getting a total of about 180 to 190 watts solar with these two panels paired together. So that's cool. Oh, that broke. That's all it takes. You got to give these trees a good old spanking. A wooden stick. This is my second favorite tree that I have on my property. Now it's become my first because my holly tree has died. But this is a Japanese maple. And hopefully that will help any more damage happening to the tree, because like I said, it's supposed to freeze overnight. And these are pretty small branches, and any more weight and any more cold gets on those bad boys, they're just gonna snap. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going around trying to give my favorite trees some love taps. That way they don't get any more hurt. I was gonna cut this, but there's a tree down on the public road there, so I'm gonna go cut that quick. Gotta save the people, baby. Yeah, baby. Hey, girl. Okay, don't show off. Okay, that's good. Well, this is my favorite holly tree that I've had on the property. As sad as it is, I mean, the weight of the snow definitely did it, but the whole root ball here is like completely rotten, and that's just why it's split like perfectly. So it was only a matter of time by the looks of it. It has no strength. Yeah. I think it's because it's gotten colder out and the ground hardened up a little bit. I also put into 4 low. I didn't even know that my Grand Cherokee had 4 low lock, so I did that. All right, now we can save more people. Well, it's been an eventful day and a half. I think we're supposed to get more snow today, but I think that does it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Feel free to let me know in the comments below if you guys are in Virginia and how many days you've been out with power. We got our power back after about 2 days, but my in-laws still don't have power, so we're on day 4 for them and a lot of people in the area. So we might actually be helping more people today. I kind of forget what my day job looks like right now, But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Feel free to like the video, subscribe, and we will see you on the next one. I'm starting a new build very, very soon. So, mwah, peace out.